Finish the sentence. At the start of the session, I felt
anxious and excited.
During the session, I felt
Hot. Camera shy.
That's all right.
I'd say hot, uncomfortable, tight.
After the session, I felt
Light and free. Airy. I like these questions. Keep them coming.
If I could describe in one word my experience inside the very first breathing space bubble.
Hard for me to rack my brain because this isn't my first. Can you re-ask the question, please?
If I could describe in one word my experience inside the very first breathing space bubble.
Welcoming.
If I could describe in a few short sentences my experience inside the very first breathing space bubble.
Scary at first, but be open and trust the process. Jacq offers a very comfortable, welcoming, supportive space.
What would you like to say to others about the benefits you gained?
I would say drop your ego, be open to what you can learn and grow from, and just be open to what can happen on the other side.
What has changed and will change as a result of doing this coaching session and workshop?
What has changed is probably more awareness, and what will change is continuing sessions.
How would you describe Jacq and breathing space?
Ooh, I like that one. Knowledgeable, accepting, supportive, and vulnerable, and authentic.
What would you say to inspire and encourage someone who may be feeling stuck in fear, pain, and doubt from taking that leap of faith to experience breathing space, breathwork, and coaching with Jacq?
Reach out to Jacq and have a one-on-one conversation with her, or ask to be put in touch with other people who have participated to have an open conversation, and make sure that you're not being judgmental of yourself prior to the experience.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.